this is Mary with Sharing Kindergarten, and I'm here to show you guys something I made just for you. This was a teacher request. When I was in Vegas doing I Teach K, I got to do a QR code session, and I was showing people how to make QR codes. And everybody got it. It was wonderful. But a lot of teachers just wanted a pack of QR codes that was already made. So what I did was I got a pack of QR codes and I went through and I made all 220 Dolch words, and I will go through and make the fry ones too. And I made them and labeled them all right here. And it's just a time saver for you. QR codes are not hard to make, but it's very easy to download 220 of them that are already made. Now these are text codes. So if you scan these with a QR scanner, like one that's on your cell phone, it would pop up with just the word went, or just the word white, or whichever sight word is there. So I posted on my Facebook page, is this something more of you guys want? And a lot of people said yes, but they didn't really know how to use it. So I said, I will help you guys with a quick video. So what you're going to do is you're going to download all these QR codes, and if you notice they're in picture form. So let me show you what that means. If you right click it and it says properties, well, you don't even have to do that because it'll say down here, but it's a PNG. So this is a picture, an image. So these are going to be just a file right here. Well, I only have a PC. I can't use a Mac. I'm not that smart. So I'm going to pull up a Word document. So say you wanted to use these and you're going to make a game for your kids. I usually choose to make mine in a table just because it's easier. So say I'm going to make maybe a little game. And I'm going to make the sight word, how about we're going to make a rhyming game. So there's going to be no, how about, no, it doesn't matter. And then right in here, I want to add a QR code to a word that rhymes with no. I would click, well maybe we'll click below the table. I would go to Insert up here, Picture. Now the hardest part is remembering wherever you downloaded your pack from. Mine was on my desktop. Open the file of just these, and remember we wanted a word that rhymes with no, and I was meaning for go. And they're all in ABC order. They're all labeled for you, so you could just click it and you would insert in here. Now one of the things I've learned from my class, it's easier if I change the size to 1.5 by 1.5. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to change my height, and then I'm going to change my width. And it's just going to resize this one. Then I want to maybe come up here, and it doesn't matter, you can do whatever you want. Change this text to a little bit bigger. And I might make, alright, this is all called We Have Issues and we like everything centered and nice. But anyway, so then I could push print this out, and I would get whatever I wrote and the QR code ready to go. Just a time saver. Now, Word is not very user-friendly actually, so you might use PowerPoint. So same type of thing, I just opened up an empty PowerPoint. I'm going to close those off. I'm going to insert a table just because I think tables are a little bit easier to work with. Maybe the same thing, I would do maybe sun. I think run is one of the sight words in the pack. I would go back up to insert, I would go to picture. I would find the location of my codes. We're going to look for run because maybe it rhymes. Run. Now this one didn't put it in there, but all I have to do is move it right over there. And you can go over here and you can push maybe all border, no fill shading. Just messing with that to make it bigger. Okay, so you can see super easy to do. This is just a picture. Say you wanted to change your word out. I would just go to change picture because it's all it is a picture and change it over to a different code. Very, very easy. I happen to like Publisher. A lot of people don't use Publisher. It is not on a Mac, which is probably why I'm not on a Mac. But I do like it a lot. So I'm going to go to 2 and 3 just to make it the same as all the other ones. Put this sucker in there. And then again, if I wanted to go, I'm going to insert picture from File. Find wherever mine is. Grab it, put it in where I want it to go. So very, very easy. You could easily make your own activities for your own classroom using these. You can use them in Publisher. You can use them in Word. You can use them in PowerPoint because all they are is just little picture codes. So I hope that helps you. I hope this is something that will encourage you to use technology in your classroom and allow you guys to have lots of fun. I'm going to exit out of here. I'm not going to save any of this. And my name is Mary from Sharing Kindergarten. I hope to share more with you soon.